Take a ride in the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.